Welcome and welcome back to another exciting video from ExamPadi. Today, I'll be giving you some tips on public speaking. It's completely normal to feel scared and nervous if you have a big presentation coming up for many people to see. What matters is how you carry yourself. The first tip is to know the kind of audience you're speaking to. This will help set the mood of how you should speak. Are you speaking to adults or are you speaking to your peers? Would you need to be louder or quieter? As soon as you know what kind of audience you need to speak to, it will help set the tone for your speech and presentation. Organize your notes and practice before your main speech. It's important to form minimal notes and have a test run before your speech so you can have an idea of what you're going to speak about. Have someone watch you while you practice so you can get corrected if you make a mistake and work on yourself prior to your main presentation. It's also important not to cram your words and points so you don't end up making multiple mistakes on the day of your presentation. Use movements to captivate the audience, but don't move around too much. When you move around and use hand gestures in presentations, you get the audience to remain focused on you and your speech. Try to remain as lively as possible. Another factor is to remember the amount of time you have. If you have 30 minutes for your speech, stick to that amount of time and don't go overboard. Remember to respect the audience's time by utilizing the time allocated to you. This is why practicing ahead is important. Paraphrase and cut your speech if you need to, so you stick with the time given. Practice makes perfect at the end of the day. You have to start well and make sure you close well too. You must make sure your audience is captivated from the beginning until the end of your presentation. With these tips, speaking in public will become easier. Thank you for learning about how to give speeches in public with me. For more captivating videos, subscribe to ExamPadi. Goodbye.